Today we're going to remove the standard GI trigger pins and replace them with anti-walk pins. This particular gun, as it fires, tends to have this pin right here walk out, which causes the hammer to hit wrong, and some rounds don't ignite. So we're going to replace both these pins with anti-walk pins. Here are the anti-walk pins. They're from Brownells. Look for the link. Anyway, here we go. First thing we do, we want to remove the pins. We're going to start with the hammer pin. We pop it through, flip the rifle over, carefully pull the pin out. There's the pin. And we pull out the hammer. Next pin is the trigger pin. We push here, allowing it to go through. When this pin comes through, you got to catch this piece as it comes out. Okay. We're going to leave that trigger in there since we're just going to replace it out of the pin. Alright. Okay, here's the pins. First thing is to get the pin through. Now as we slide this pin in, we want to make sure that everything lines up properly. So you want to get this just right, so it'll slide right through that hole. Kind of a tight fit. There it is. Okay. Now we're gonna wait to put those screws in until we're done, just to make sure if we have to pop anything out. Alright, now we take the hammer and the hammer spring. Make sure you put the spring in the proper way. And bend it forward. Get it to line up on that hole. When it lines up, then you want to put the pin in place. Okay, now the hammer has a small wire that holds the pin, the regular GI pin, in place, and so we've got to push the pin past that. Since it has that wire, we're going to take this pin and put it in this side, and slide it in far enough, and then we push from the other side till it pops in place. And we push the rest of the way through. Again, we want to make sure these line up just right. Now I'm only using the plastic end of the screwdriver. Give it a little force. Get it in the right spot here. There we go. And there it is. Okay. Now we take these small screws. And we screw them. Now you do have to have 2 Allen wrenches to get these as tight as you want them. and you tighten it until they're tight. you go. Anti-walk pins. Very nice.